So first things first, big thank you to everyone for all the love and support that you showed me in my previous video. I was extremely glad to know that a lot of you people felt inspired by me, and I will try my best to continue to do so as we go on with the channel. So here is what we are doing today. As you can see, I have 5 sneakers from Super Kicks that I also showed you in my stories yesterday. So here's what we are going to do today. We are going to take a look at the top 5 coolest sneakers under rupees 10,000. So those of you who are new here, I do this video on my channel every couple of months. I'm going to try and do it a little more, where we talk about the top 5 sneakers under the budget of 10,000 rupees. And not just that, I also alternate these videos with times when I do sneakers under rupees 5,000, and a lot of you guys really look forward to this kind of video. So that is what we'll be doing today. And not just that, we're also doing a giveaway about the sneakers that I showed today on this channel. So a lot of you guys keep asking me about giveaways, because I used to do quite a lot of giveaways a couple of months back, but I kind of stopped that. I did not stop it actually. The thing is, if you do not know, I had launched my membership program for all the subscribers. So I'm not going to tell you in detail about that. If you want to know more about the membership plan, then you can go and watch this video. So what happens in that is that you have weekly giveaways and a lot of sneakers and streetwear that we drop at steal prices. So like I said, to know more in detail, you can go and watch this video, and you can also click the link in description below and visit the website to know more about it. So that being said, now let's move ahead into the studio and get started with today's video. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm back with another video, which is the top 5 sneakers under rupees 10,000. So this is the segment that a lot of you people love a lot, and you guys are always waiting for this thing to know about all the updated sneakers. So here's what we do in this segment. We take a look at the top 5 sneakers from all the latest releases and the latest collaborations. So as usual, if some of you are waiting to go and comment down that I did not include a Stan Smith, or I did not include a Superstar, or I did not include XYZ from the oldest silhouette, please do keep in mind this is about only the latest sneakers that drop, and this is only so that you guys can always keep looking fresh and try out new releases. So sit back and watch this video in full before you already come to a conclusion that you don't like any of them. So apart from these videos of sneakers under 5,000 and sneakers under 10,000, we also have a monthly segment where we take a look at certain specific sneakers in the budget unboxing segment. So if you guys are new here, then please do not forget to check out all of those videos, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Now before we start with the unboxings, let me repeat once more. We are going to give away one of these sneakers to one of you lucky guys, or maybe we might even give away 2. That totally depends on you guys and how much you all participate. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Keep in mind, all the sneakers that we unbox today and take a look at are picked up from Super Kicks India. So if you like any of those sneakers and if you're interested in buying them, then you can definitely go to the Super Kicks India website. And not just that, I will also leave the link to each sneaker in the description box below. Now let's start with the unboxing. So we have 5 sneakers today, and they are all from different brands. We have one from Adidas, we have one from Puma, we have one from Nike, one from Reebok, and lastly one from Asics. So let's take a look at the sneaker from Nike first. So these are the Nike drop type HBR sneaker. They are a low top and are inspired by classic tennis shoes. Overall, the shoe looks pretty clean and is also pretty comfortable with a cushy padding. It uses pops of colors, like you can see the red on the swoosh and the blue on the tongue. Along with that, you also get this exposed foam treatment on the tongue, like we have seen in the Off-White sneakers. So apart from that, nothing much on the shoe. You get the black color on the heel tab, and that's about it. So these sneakers retail at a price of 5,995 only. Now let's put this aside and take a look at the next one, that is the Asics. So these are the Asics Japan S shoes that are based on one of their throwback offerings from 1981. So this is a low top and features a coat inspired toe box in all the throwback colorways like this one in green. So these sneakers are updated with a lightweight design that features a cup sole in white, and apart from the leather upper, you also get the tiger stripe design on the quarter panels and ASICS writing on the heel of the shoe in Japanese. So basically we've seen a lot of ASICS sneakers before in this segment, but all of them have always been very athletic and running shoes, as against this one which is more focused towards the lifestyle aspect of it. And I feel these sneakers are really nice and they would go well with your everyday outfits, and which is why I've added them in the list. So these sneakers retail for a price of 6,995 only. So these were the ASICS. Now let's go on with the next sneaker, and we'll take a look from the one from Adidas. So these are the Adidas Superstars that all of you guys really love a lot. And not just that, these sneakers are a little special because they make use of this material called Prime Green, which is a series of high performance recycled materials. The upper contains about 70% recycled content. So apart from that, there is nothing special in the shoe. It comes with the black laces and an extra pair of white laces, and you have this quote written on the side of the shoe. And as you can see from the midsole, it gives an impression of using recycled materials, and that is what this whole shoe is about. So this shoe alone cannot save the planet, but what you do in them can help make a difference. So these retail for a price of 8,999 rupees only, and as you all know, you can never go wrong with a Superstar, so you should definitely consider them and take part in saving the planet. So these were the Superstars in the list for the first time. Like you guys always keep complaining that I do not mention any Superstars. So let's keep this aside and move on to our next sneaker, which is going to be from Puma. So these are the Puma Style Riders in collaboration with Kids Super Studios. So what Kids Super Studios has done is that they have brought together the energy and passion of football and the creativity and innovation of art. As you can see, it has a cool color palette with a playful watercolor printed upper and a signature aggressive outsole that you can see on the shoe in yellow. Apart from that, you have the Kids Super branding on the Puma logo on the side and on the back of the shoe, and you get this exposed foam treatment again, which most of the brands are resorting to nowadays. So the shoe feels pretty light and comfortable. We all know what Style Rider is. Style Rider is a really nice shoe for everyday casual use. So these retail for a tad bit higher than the usual Style Riders at 8,999 rupees, and they are available on Super Kicks, like I said in the beginning of the video. So these were the Pumas. Now lastly, the last sneaker for the day is going to be from Reebok. So let's go ahead and take a look at that one. So these are the Reebok Question Low in the filtered yellow colorway. Now this is the third colorway that launched today on Super Kicks. Before this, there were two more colorways that launched in the black and the white colorway, if I'm not mistaken. As you all know, these are the Iverson's signature shoes with a graphic refresh from Billionaire Boys Club. So the upper is in full grain leather with a white midsole and a translucent outsole which has the Reebok branding on it. So these shoes stand out with the graphics on the upper, sock liner and the lace tips, as you can see. And you get these small little details on the tongue of the shoe, on the back of the shoe, and also this famous BBC ice cream hang tag on the shoe. So these retail for a price of 9,999, and overall the Question Lows are pretty comfortable. So you should definitely give it a shot if you have the budget of 10,000 rupees. Alright, so that's about it. This was the last sneaker in our list, that is the Reebok BBC ice cream collaboration. Now before we move on and end this video, let's talk about how you can win one of these awesome sneakers and what you have to do to participate in the contest. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. Follow Super Kicks India and me on Instagram. Like this post and comment which of the 5 sneakers is your favorite along with the shoe size. And that's about it. Make sure to not miss out on any of the steps, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.